Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Tips. Today we are talking about attorney at law. Attorney at law or attorney at law, usually abbreviated in everyday speech to attorney, is preferred term for a practicing lawyer in certain jurisdiction including South Africa, for certain lawyers Sri Lanka, Philippines and United States. In the Canada it is used only in Quebec as the English term for advocate. The term has its root in verb to attorn, meaning transfer one's right and obligation to other. England and the Wales and Ireland. The attorney in the scene of sense of lawyers who act on behalf of a client has an ancient pedigree in English law. The Statute of Malton 1235 uses the Latin expression a torn-in phrase rendered into English. It is provided and granted that every free man with oath suit to country trying hundred and weapon take to court of his lord may freely make his attorney to do those unit for him. The term was formerly used in England and Wales and Ireland for a lawyer who practiced in common law court. They were officer of the court and were under judicial supervision. Attorney didn't generally actually appear as advocate in higher court, a role reserved for barrister solicitor. Those or a lawyer who practiced in court of equity were considered to be more respectable than attorney, and by the mid 19th century may attorney were calling themselves solicitor. Supreme Court of Jurisdiction Act 1873 in England and Wales and Supreme Court of Jurisdiction Act 1877 in Ireland registered all attorney as solicitor. The term persists in legal usage in United Kingdom solely in instance of patent attorney who are legal professional having set professional qualification and are expert in acting in all matter and procedure relating to patent law and practice. They may or may not be additionally either solicitor or barrister or have some come to practice through a technical expert route following a PhD and period of practice in scientific and engineering field. In the now three separate jurisdictions of England and Wales, Ireland, and Netherlands, Poland, it is used as free profession of public trust, dealing with provision of legal aid, in particular providing legal advice and consultation, drafting legal opinion, drafting legal act, and appearing before court and offices as a proxy or defense counsel. It is carried out on the basis of law of 6 July 1982 on attorney at law. In addition to obligation arising from the law, every attorney at law and trained attorney at law is also subject to ethical standard of attorney at law profession defined in particular in codes of ethics for attorney at law. And basically, in addition to the obligation arising from the law, every attorney at law and trainee attorney at law is also subject to ethical standard of attorney at law profession defined in particular in code of ethics for attorney at law and basically carried out on basis of the law of 6 July 1982 on attorney at law. Related to that, you can ask me anything in comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, tech tips, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.